Hello, it's Gem Games here once again, and this is just a quick fix for the last video and a little update. I will show you. So yeah, let's get started. First, we want to go to the resource folder and we want to create a new material called white underscore matte. If you followed me on the end of the last episode, you might already have created this, but here we are, white underscore matte. Let's open it. And now let's keep the tree pressed and left click and connect this to the base color. This should be surface, opaque, and default lit. And now, one thing I didn't notice in last episode, I was a little bit too tired. I forgot to press this used with skeletal asset like this. Like that. That was the reason why it didn't work. Now I want to change this to red. Not red, white. Okay. Apply and save. And now we can close that. And now we want to go to blueprints, interactables, and let's actually add one more wall by, so I can just show you guys later. Like if I put this here, like maybe this, and if I move this a little bit more like out, now if we play, they are not like this is on the wall, that is like not touching the wall, and this is same thing, not touching the wall. Okay, we will fix that. So let's go to the PP weapon wall by. And on the, we don't actually have to add anything here on construction. If you did add something on the last episode, please remove it. And now let's go to the event graph. Now, here, what we want to do, we actually want to adjust this a little bit. We want to move this a little bit further. Here, from the get world location, we actually want to add to here. The amount doesn't matter. Let's just make 1, 1, and 1. I think that was one of the reasons why it didn't work on the last episode, because I forgot to do this, but yeah. Then what we want to do here, we can remove this sphere set world location, connect this straight to there, and also we can remove that, and this weapon we can remove, and we can get the default scene route. I don't know why I did that the wrong way last episode, but okay, now we will fix it. Now let's move that to there. Out hit location, we want to remove that, so Alt and left click, and we want to get from the out hit impact point, and we want to add to it. And what we want to add to it is we want to first get from the rotation from X vector, we want to get forward vector like this. And now from here we want to multiply, and we want to multiply this with the float single precision, and we want to connect this to there. And now we want to change it to float single precision like that. And now we want to move this to here and connect that to the location. And now also I want to add a reroute to here, so this looks a little bit cleaner. And now also we want to add the amount that we want to. This is basic. This just gets the rotation of the wall, converts it to rotation, gets its forward vector, so which way it is facing, and this adds to it. So basically this amount is the amount that if we add 5, it should take 5 units from the wall and move it outwards. And now if we get the impact point, add this to it, connect it to the location, that should be the 5 units out from the wall location. So now let's try. It should work. Now you can see both the weapons are 5 units from the wall, and that is not for some reason. Oh, I know the reason. That's too much there on the right. Okay, now it should work. And it doesn't still work. So I think that the reason is we have this too high. So let's make it like 30. Now it should work. Yeah. Now you can see it's 5 units from the wall. And now actually what we want to do, we want this to promote the variable. And we want to call this distance from wall. And let's make the default value like, now if I put here like 15, they should be all of these should be 15 amount, 15 from, oh, this lags once again. I don't know why this Unreal is not working correctly. I don't know where that weapon went. I have had so many problems today with this. Oh, now I understand. That is not close enough. Now you can see all are 15 units from the wall, same amount. So value that I like to use is actually 1, which is basically nothing, but it takes it a little bit out from the wall. So they're basically in the wall, but not completely. This is good, I like that. Now the material part. So now we have the white material. We want to go back to here, and now after we have set the actually this is wrong one also. I don't know why I did so many errors on the last one, but we want to get from the weapon and set skeletal mesh asset. No, it's not that one. Set skeletal mesh asset. It should be this one. I will add that to my favorites. Set skeletal mesh asset. This one, so the square one. Okay, row found. Get to here and outrow weapon mesh like that. And after that, we want to actually get a for each and not each for loop. Now we want to get our weapon once more. We want to get num material, so we get the number of materials that the weapon has, because some of those weapons have 1 and some of these have 1. This is 1, but when I like AR 4 has 2 and so on. So we want to get a -1 from this. So we remove 1 because in coding everything starts always from 0. So let's connect that to the last index. Now also what we want to do, get this weapon, and actually let's move this to here. From this weapon we want to set material. Let's connect it to the loop body, and let's move these to here with that. And now here we can set we want to this index, connect to the element index, and set material to white matte. Now let's compile and save. Now we can close this, and now everything should work. You can see we have all white weapons there on the wall as we like. Yeah, everything works pretty nicely. And of course, if you want, you can go back to your material white and change this color to whatever you want. And also you can keep the 1 pressed like 2 times, connect these to the metallic and roughness, for example. Let's put some 0.1 and like 0.1. You can change all these values if you like. So basically we can just make this like that if we want. Apply. Now they should be a little bit metallic and like pink or something like that. You can see. Yeah, you can make them look like as you want, but I think I like them as white. I think I'll leave those metallic things, but whites are pretty okay, I think. I think this looks pretty nice. Yeah. So yeah, that was all for this video. If you learned something new, please click the like button and subscribe if you want to see some more. I will continue this series maybe tomorrow. And yeah, see you on the next one. Bye.